Alright, well, I'm here to help you out with setting up an ice table for this reaction between carbon dioxide and H2 to produce carbon monoxide and water. And this is the first of a set of videos that I'm going to show you. Here's how we lay out an ice table, and these are some initial conditions that were given. The concentrations of all the four species are 0.05 molar. And we're going to lay out a change variable. I'll just call that x. That's a change variable. And we don't know what x is, so I'm just going to leave that as an unknown at the moment. And but if we did know x, let's suppose we had some change in this reaction. That is, we lost a little bit of CO2. How much CO2? Well, we'll just say we lost X amount of CO2. And that would mean that we lost a little bit of hydrogen too. So if you want to fill in the rest of this table and then come back. Okay, let's see, if I lost XH2, that means I must have lost a little bit of the same amount of H2. And that means I must have, since all the stoichiometric coefficients are 1, I must have gained a little bit of carbon monoxide and gained the same amount of water. So now we have the last row, if you want to give that one a shot. Okay, so this is pretty obvious. The amount of CO2 that I have at equilibrium, that's this E here, would have to be 0.05 minus X. Same thing here, 0.05 minus X. Here we have 0.05 plus X and 0.05 plus X. Okay, so we still don't know what X is, but at least we're making a little bit of progress. The next thing that you want to do for the setup of this table is we'll need to have an expression for Kc for this reaction. That's the products over the reactants. So why don't you write that one down. Okay, here's what I think I need to do. That's products, so that would be concentration of CO times concentration of water. And I'm going to have to divide that all by, and I guess I'll put that in parentheses, concentration of CO2 times the concentration of the other reactant, H2. Okay, so this is the setup of the ice table for this problem, and next we'll talk about strategies for finding X.